Strawberry jam, the sweet, sticky hero of every boring slice of bread. But do you ever stop mid-toast and wonder, wait, how did this fruity goo get into my jar? Well, buckle up your butter knives, because we're going inside the strawberry jam factory. And spoiler alert, it's berry intense. Step 1. Harvesting the berries. It starts in the fields where ripe strawberries are picked by hand, packed in crates, and shipped off in refrigerated trucks like VIP guests heading to a sticky party. Step 2. Wash and sort. At the factory, strawberries get a spa treatment, washed, brushed, and sorted by robots. Only the juiciest, reddest berries make the cut. Step 3. Smash and cook. The berries are squashed into pulp, then combined with sugar, lemon juice, and packed in massive kettles. It simmers into a sweet, bubbling hot tub of goodness. Step 4. Quality control. Jam scientists taste test for sweetness, texture, and spreadability, using very technical tools like a spoon. Step 5. Bottling and labeling. The hot jam is poured into sterilized jars, sealed tight, and labeled with "I'm sweet" by Mead. Step 6. Packaging and shipping. The jars are packed, shipped, and sent off to grocery stores and eventually to your fridge. And that's how jam goes from berry to breakfast. So next time you spread some on your toast, remember, behind every scoop is a berry that survived the squish, the boil, and the spoon test. Life's too short for boring toast. Choose jam, choose joy, choose berry greatness. Want to see how chocolate spread or peanut butter is made? Let us know, and don't forget to jam that like button. Next time you enjoy that sweet spread, just know it's not magic, it's a whole lot of berry brilliance. And remember, life's always better with a little jam on top. So whether it's on toast or in a smoothie, that jam's got a juicy story to tell.